Very good evening, all. This is Praveen Kumar from Zebu and Wealth Management Private Limited. And this session is about the market closing analysis, how the market closed, and what are the things we have discussed in the morning, whether support or broken or resistance or broken. That's the thing we are going to discuss. And another major thing we have seen, and today the Nifty hits a lifetime high, that is a record high we have break on, that is 18,618 it was made the high. So whether this impact tomorrow's market can be a bullish mark or bearish market, we can see. Likewise, we will be going to discuss in this session. Actually, morning itself, we have seen the Nifty and Bank Nifty was open with a gap down moment. But I have told you that from here, some recovery can happen or not. If you ask me, it can, but I am expecting some kind of consolidation market. I have told you in the morning. But what the thing happened, that consultation are made at the end of the session, end of the market closing. Because till market closing, that is 3 o'clock, the market was in a bullish rally. After 3 o'clock, some consultation was happened and went down to the level. So this kind of movement, whether it will affect tomorrow's market, if you ask me, it can be. So we will see about the levels, how today's movement was. The Nifty future, that is yesterday's close is around, that is on Friday's close is around 18,646.10, but today it was open on the 60 points of gap down opening with the level of 18,585 level. So from 18,585, the low made is 18,566, nearly 20 points got down from the open. From the low, the high made is around 18,742, nearly 180 points of record from the lower level we are seeing in Nifty future. But the closing would be on 18,692 level, it was closed. So from the higher level, 50 points gone down, it was closed around. So this is the level it was traded in Nifty future we are seeing. Okay. If you see about the Bank Nifty future, how the Bank Nifty futures trade was. So Bank Nifty future, if you see, that is on uh, Friday's close. Friday's close for Bank Nifty future 43,291.85, and today it was opened with a 240 points of gap down opening of 43,050 level. Then open is that low for Bank Nifty future, but from 43,050 level, it made high to the level of 43,400, nearly from the low. 350 points got recovered towards a higher level of 43,400. But the closing would be at the level of 43,250, the closing was. So whether the support and resistance were reacted in our move, if you see, yes, because morning I told you where the support and resistance for Nifty and Bank Nifty. For example, morning, whatever we have discussed at the time, the Nifty future was around the 18,600 level. It was. So I have told you that whenever 18,657 is broken, we can have a rally towards 18,700 and 18,730 respectively. I have told you the same thing was happened. The market was reacted to the resistance level 18,647 and broken, and it was broken to the level of 18,742 to the high. But the rest, that support level of 18,570 was not broken till the lower level. Okay. But if you see about the Bank Nifty future, I told you in the morning, whenever the 43,220 level is broken, then we can have a rally towards 43,340 and 43,430 can be a possible one, I told you. Then the market reacted to the level of resistance of 43,220. It was broken. Then it made a rally towards 43,330 and 43,400 to the high level it was made. And at the end, it was close to the level 43,250. Okay. Whether tomorrow shall we expect the bullish market or bearish market? Okay. Because I am expecting some sort of bullish trend. Because if you see the global market, if the global market supports, that is, a US market is opening and closing in a positive way, and European market, if you see today's market now, it was on a trading on a negative only. If you see about the FTSE, it is currently trading on minus 0.52%, and CSE on minus 0.86%, DAX on minus 0.97% respectively. If some changes was happen in European markets and US market, and tomorrow the Asian market, if it reflects on the positive way, then we can have further move towards Nifty future towards the level of 18,780 can be a possible one. or else if the other market that is global cues are in a negative way, then we can have a rally towards 18,530 or 18,520 respectively. This kind of opening we can see in Nifty future. But if you see about the Bank Nifty future is under a pressure. Under a pressure in the sense, if you see about Nifty and Bank Nifty comparison, that is spot Nifty currently closed on 0.27%, but Nifty Bank spot is to closed on 0.08%. But if you compare with Nifty, Nifty is strongly traded compared with the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is little bit weaker, we have seen. So if some sort of negative impact is on our global cues, then Bank Nifty will go minimum of 300 to 400 points negative. It can be possible, but today Nifty was broken the lifetime high, so we can expect some sort of bullish trend can continue towards the level of 18,680 to 18,720 can be a possible for Nifty spot, I am saying. Okay, here I will share you my screen for Nifty, how it broken the lifetime high today. It's a Nifty spot, 15 minutes candle I am showing you. Yes. If you see about the today's movement, today we have found a gap down opening. After that, some sort of movement. It was broken fully from the morning till evening. It was on a bullish one. But after that is around 145, some consolidation move happened. If you see about at 145 level, Nifty touches the level of 18,614 is the high made till 145. So it was broken the record high. After that, from 18,614, the close is around 18,553, nearly 60 points have gone downside from the higher level we have seen. Okay, this kind of consolidation is good for bullish trend if you ask me. Yes, it can be because some sort of selling pressure would be there. So that kind of selling pressure it was handled. So tomorrow we can expect little bit of gap up movement we are seeing. Okay, I will show you that Nifty futures chart for your reference. It's a 15 minutes candle, and today's moment I am showing you now. Yes. If you see about first 15 minutes candles of Nifty future is around the high is around 18,649 and low is around 18,566. But the next candle itself broken the first 15 minutes candle towards a level of 18,675. So from the third candle, whenever the 18,675 is broken, we can go for a long according to the candlestick pattern levels. So here it is showing the bullish trend from 18,675 and the high made is around 18,742, nearly 70 points of made higher from the level entered. So the stop loss was not hit also. So this movement, if you see from the lower, that is of 18,566 is the low, from the low, 180 points got recovered from the lower level to 18,742 level. Okay. I will show you the Bank Nifty chart now. Whatever the movement we have seen in Nifty, but compared to Nifty, Bank Nifty movement was not that much, I am saying. Yeah. If you see about Bank Nifty's first 15 minutes candles high is 43,198 and low is 43,050. But from the open, from the morning open is the low which carry for Bank Nifty futures. So whenever the next candle's high is around 43,200 not so. So 207, I have told you that 43,220 resistance is there. If the 43,220 is broken, then we can have a rally towards 43,330, I have told you. But the resistance was broken at the level of 11:45 level. So 11:45 was broken to the level of 43,258 and made high towards the level of 43,400 high made. So this is kind of volatility we have seen in Bank Nifty future, but Nifty from the morning it was shown a clear bullish trend. Okay. And the option movement, how the option movement would be. If you see about the 43,000 Bank Nifty call options, like I am showing. Yes. It's a 15 minutes candle and today's movement I am sharing, you know. Yes. If you see first 15 minutes candles high is around, it was opened at 211, the premium price. The high is around 217. So from 217, how much the high made is around 323 the high made. If, for example, we would have bought at 220 is our premium, our investment would be around 5,500. But if you would have covered at 300 also, our profit would be 80 points, nearly 2,000 rupees is a profit. If you see in Bank Nifty future investment of 5,500, how much the opportunity is at 2,000 rupees is a profit. So we need to identify the correct trend, then we can enter. We can make a good opportunity in options market. If you see in put option also, 43,300 put, I am showing you now, it's a 15 minutes candle and today's moment. At the end of the market closing, how the movement would be. If you see 43 to 43,200 put option, open is around 465 and the low made is around nearly 287. From 287, the while closing, it went up to the level of 373. Nearly 90 points have recovered, that 80 points have recovered from the lower level we are seeing in Bank Nifty 43,300 put option. Okay, coming to the point of Nifty future, Nifty option I will show you. Nifty from the morning till closing it was on a bullish trend, so we will see about 18,500 call option. How the opportunity was. It's a great opportunity. We are seeing Nifty 18,500 call option with a lower level investment. If you see at the opening price is around 85. 85 is the premium price. The low is around 60, but on the first 15 minutes candle itself, the high made is around 109. From 109, the price made towards 163. If we would have bought it 110 also, our investment would be 5,500. But if we would have covered 150 also, 40 points we can make a profit with the investment of 5,500. 2,000 can be an opportunity profit we can earn in this 18,500 call option for today's moment. So this shows a clear picture that we need to enter at the right time with the correct trend and right strike, we can make a good opportunity in options with the low margin. So this kind of opportunity is there. So concentrate in options also. Okay. Okay. And some of the newses I will tell you. Some of the newses in a sense about just I will tell you now. Yes. The Techno Electric wins a large order worth of rupees 700 crores, it's saying, and also 3A Infotech. 3A Infotech to enter 5G products and technology services now. And Nucleus Software wins large order from Bank of Sydney now. Okay, these are all the little bit of major newses we are seeing. And Nifty, and for example, the sector-wise movement, how the sector-wise movement for today's moment, if you see, Nifty Bank was closed on a 0.08% positive, and Nifty Auto is on a 0.61% positive closing we have seen. But FMCG on 0.34% positive, and Pharma and PSU Bank on 0.20% positive. But some of the sectors on a negative closing we are seeing, that is financial services on minus 0.09%, and metal minus 1.14%. It's a negative one, and consumer durables on minus 0.06% negative closing we have seen in sector-wise movement. But top gainers and top losers support to Nifty today is that BPCL is on a 5.04% positive closing, and Reliance 3.38% positive closing. Hero MotoCorp on 2.40% positive closing today. Tata Consumer Products on 1.88% positive closing, and SBI Life 1.84% positive closing. These are the top gainers of today's Nifty movement. And top losers of Nifty movement today's movement is that Hindalco minus 2.14% negative, and Apollo Hospital minus 1.45%, and GSW Steel on minus 1.39%, then Tata Steel on minus 1.22%, then HDFC Bank on minus 1.06%. These are the top losers of today's moment we are seeing. Okay. So I am expecting tomorrow if the global cues are supported our market, we can expect a gap up movement from to the level of 18,740 to 780 can be a possible one for tomorrow's movement. So if the global cues are supported, if the global cues are not supported, then we can have a rally towards 18,570 to 530 level can be a possible one for Nifty. So Nifty future I am saying. So I think this information would be useful for you, I think. So if you have any queries, you can comment on a comment box. We will be reverting on it. And what all the information we have shared you, this is on my views. I am saying, if you want to trade these views, we can discuss with your investment advisor or your wealth manager before entering the thing. And thank you for watching this session. Have a great day. Thank you.